Hello everyone. Recently, the president's rule in the state of Manipur has extended for 6 more months. Given in Part 18 of our constitution under the Article 356, presidential rule is a provision and one of the three types of emergencies given in our constitution. The grounds of imposition include: the first one is breakdown of the constitutional machinery in the state. This can be reported by the governor of the state to the president, or the president himself can be convinced that the state is not being governed constitutionally. The second grounds of imposition is failing to comply with the union's direction under Article 365. In the matters in which the union government is empowered to direct the state, if the state doesn't follow it, then presidential rule can be applied. Now, the duration of president rule is 6 months. It can be extended in next 6 months after the parliamentary approval. Then it cannot reach more than 3 years. The proclamation approval has to be done by both the houses of parliament and it should be done within 2 months. During the president's rule, the state executive is dismissed, the state legislature is suspended or dissolved. Now, it requires simple majority for the approval and continuation of the president rule after the 6 months. And it doesn't affect any of the fundamental rights, unlike the national emergency. Now, the revocation process is solely discretionary for the president. It doesn't require any kind of resolution to be passed in the Rajya Sabha. Do let me know in the comment section which case has said that president's rule is subject to judicial review. Thank you.